Did you know you can make Nigerian Akara without beans? Let me walk you through how you can make yours. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. In a bowl, add some lettuce, add some water to it and allow to soak for 20 minutes for easy blending. While it's soaking, I'll go ahead and prepare my ogi. Ogi is basically corn pudding that is mostly eaten in the morning in Nigeria. In a pan, I added some water and bring it to a rolling boil. Once it started boiling, I reduced the heat to the lowest before I added the ogi to prevent lumps. Once I had the ogi, I started stirring it immediately to prevent lumps. There are different methods of making ogi. This is my own method, tested and trusted. Once it's thickened up to my liking, I just go ahead and dish it out. And sometimes if it's too thick, I just loosen it up with some hot water, alright? Back to the lettuce, I already go ahead and wash it. As you guys can see, the water is no more cloudy. I transfer it into the blender, add some red bell pepper and onion, and I'll go ahead and blend it. While you are blending it, it doesn't require for a whole lot of water. At this point, I'm done blending it. I just go ahead and add salt. To season your akara, you only need salt. It doesn't require for another seasoning. Alright, I added some scotch bonnet pepper and I go ahead and whisk it very well. There are so many ways you can use lentils, not only for akara, you can use it for your gbegiri, aka bean soup. You can use it for meme. I have a video on how I use it for gbegiri. The link will pop up right now. If you're interested, you can check it out. I went ahead and had some chopped onion for more flavor. You guys already know that we're all about delicious food on this channel, alright? Anything that is not delicious is not coming up on this channel, alright? I just go ahead and stir everything together until they are well combined. And while I'm mixing, I already preheated the oil. I went ahead and scooped in the butter and allowed to fry. Just take a moment to appreciate the color of the akara. The color is popping, guys. It is perfectly fine. I just go ahead and remove it from the oil and set it on a paper towel. I also add some milk into the ogi, alright? And I go ahead and add some hot chocolate. This hot chocolate is so good. If you can lay your hand on it, go and grab it. Added about tablespoon into the ogi and I go ahead and mix everything really well. And this breakfast is Jesus, I don't know how to explain it. You guys, we felt so good after eating, all right? And this is our akara. Look at the inside. You guys, it tastes absolutely delicious, guys. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.